Stop whatever you're doing and pay close attention so that I can walk you through this life-changing process. What if I told you that you've always had access to all of your desires? Wealth, peace, love, and success. The problem is that 99% of people will never be able to crack it. Why? Because they are unable to access the secret power that is dormant inside of them, because they are stuck in a mindset. I'm going to reveal a method today that is so easy to use but so effective that it may quickly start changing your reality. Rewiring your mind to support the life you've always imagined is the goal here, not wishful thinking. It takes less than a minute, which is the greatest part, but this is where things start to get interesting. This works for a reason, and it stems from the findings of Jose Silva, a man who revolutionized our understanding of the mind. For those that follow through, don't be shocked when everything you've been seeking starts following you. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what to do but also why it works. Limiting beliefs have proven to be a major setback when it comes to manifesting desires. If you want to dive deeper into manifestation, get rid of limiting beliefs and maintain your positive affirmations, get your free guide down in the link below. Let me take you back to the 1940s. Jose Silva was neither a mystic nor a psychologist. He was a regular guy who happened to discover something extraordinary. After years of investigation, he learned how to access a hidden mental state that was so powerful that it could transcend boundaries, calm fears, and attract desires into the real world. He referred to it as the alpha state, which is the link between your subconscious and conscious minds. What he discovered next, however, was even more important. The deeper state known as Theta. Your subconscious opens up like fertile soil that is ready to be planted when you reach Theta. Silva discovered that your thoughts are more than simply ideas when you're in this state. They turn into guidelines for your reality. Here's the problem though. The majority of people will spend their entire lives trapped in beta, which is a superficial, disorderly state of tension and overthinking. And as long as you are in beta, no amount of affirmations or positive thinking will stick. You'll remain stranded. That's why what I'm going to tell you is so crucial. It's a method Jose Silva perfected to help you drop into this deeper state where real transformation happens. To initiate the change, you will need to do a particular activity precisely 6 times after you arrive. Let me now explain the significance of the number 6. It's not random. Think of it like this. Repetition is how your subconscious learns, but Silva thought there was a sweet spot. The point at which you could repeat something sufficiently to help it stick without overwhelming your mind. That target was precisely reached after 6 repetitions. The intention will be firmly ingrained in your brain without any resistance. So, what exactly are you repeating? Before I tell you, allow me to guide you to the state in which this procedure will actually work. Step 1. Relax the body to slow the mind. You must first calm your body in order to prepare your mind. Locate a peaceful area where you won't be bothered. Take a seat, close your eyes, and inhale deeply. Hold it for a second, then release the tension by exhaling. Repeat this a few times until you feel the weight of the day begin to lift. Now pay attention to your eyelids. Allow them to become heavy, as though each breath were causing them to gradually sink. Feel that relaxation travel down your face, your neck, and your shoulders. Let it flow down your arms, your chest, and finally your legs until your whole body feels weightless. The portal to Theta is accessed in this manner. Step 2. The visualization countdown. Alright, close your eyes and let's take this step together. Imagine that a stairway, not just any staircase, but one that leads to a realm of complete peace and clarity, is in front of you. I want you to count in silence when you take your first step down. 10. Experience the sensation of escaping the day's noise. 9. Let the tension in your shoulders start to fade. 8. You feel lighter with every step, as if the burden of your thoughts is dissolving. This goes beyond simply relaxing. You're going deeper. You're getting close to the bottom now. There is a door in front of you at the final step. This isn't just a door. It feels different, alive, almost calling to you. Imagine placing your hand on it, feeling its warmth like it's been waiting just for you. Theta state, the state we have been discussing, is located behind this door. Your mind is at its most open at this point, when seemingly unattainable options suddenly become apparent and doable. Take a deep breath, and when you are ready, open the door. As you step through, imagine entering a space so calm, so vast, it feels like time doesn't exist. There's no noise, no distraction, just stillness. This is where everything changes. This is the Theta state, the place where your subconscious is ready to receive, to reshape, to create. Take a moment to stay here. Feel the change taking place in your head as the stillness descends upon you. This is where your transformation starts. Step 3. Repeat the intention 6 times. Now that you've entered this receptive state, it's time to anchor your intention, but listen closely. Saying words isn't enough here. It's about experiencing them, living them out, and allowing them to change your world. We're going to repeat a powerful phrase 6 times. Your intention will become stronger with each repetition, bringing your subconscious into line with the life you want. But before we start, I want you to picture what you really desire. Your aspirations are beginning to take shape and are flowing toward you like a wave of abundance. Experience the feelings of happiness, relaxation, and thankfulness that come with possessing it. Hold on to that emotion. Here's the phrase, repeat it with me. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I'm open to receive with gratitude and trust. Now, let's do this together and repeat it 6 times. Say it once, and as you do, see your desires moving toward you. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I'm open to receive with gratitude and trust. Say it again, feeling opportunities appearing and doors opening. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I'm open to receive with gratitude and trust. By the 3rd time, let it sink deeper as if the words are shaping your reality. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I'm open to receive with gratitude and trust. On the 4th, let gratitude and trust wash over you, dissolving doubt. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I'm open to receive with gratitude and trust. The 5th time, feel your energy fully aligned with your desires. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I'm open to receive with gratitude and trust. And by the 6th, know without a shadow of a doubt that it is done. Everything I desire is finding its way to me now. I'm open to receive with gratitude and trust. Each repetition isn't just a declaration, it's a transformation. The more you feel these words, the more you embody them, and the closer you bring your desires to you. This is where the magic happens. By the end of the 6th repetition, you are no longer asking. You are living the truth that everything you desire is already finding its way to you. Trust this process, believe it, and feel the shift within you now. Step 4. Seal it with gratitude. Before you open your eyes, pause, take a deep breath, and let everything settle. This moment is critical. It's where everything comes together. Gratitude isn't just a nice thought. It's the bridge that connects what you desire to your reality. By expressing gratitude, you are telling the universe or God that it's already done. You are not asking. You are affirming. Now, quietly say this with me. Thank you for the abundance that is already mine. Say it slowly, and as you do, I want you to feel it. Don't just speak the words. Experience them. Picture your desire already fulfilled. See the doors opening, the opportunities flowing in, and the peace washing over you. Feel the joy and confidence that come with knowing it's already happening. Let that gratitude fill every part of your being. Here's why this matters. Gratitude is powerful because it shifts your mindset. It takes you out of a place of waiting and puts you in a state of receiving. When you thank God or the universe in advance, you are aligning yourself with the outcome you want. It's like planting a seed and watering it with faith. You are saying, I trust the process. I know it's already mine. And when you live in that certainty, you create an energy that attracts exactly what you desire. Now, as you open your eyes, take that gratitude with you. Don't leave it behind. Let it guide your thoughts and actions throughout your day. Whenever doubts creep in, and they will, pause and remind yourself it's already done. Gratitude isn't just something you feel in the moment. It's something you carry with you. Live it, breathe it, and you'll stay in alignment with the abundance you are calling into your life. That's where the transformation begins.